Come on here, buddy. Good. Woohoo! Oh, nice one.
That's perfect,
Okay, private pond. We are in private pond. Atmosphere is perfect. Look off.
Get a bite?
Yeah. Oh.
Good. Oh yeah, you.
Good to eat.
Yeah.
Hey. Perfect.
Nice.
Good one.
Nice.
This is good.
Throw that one back.
Really, see? Keep it.
Let you see.
Too big, right?
Yeah. Yeah. In there. Alligator trail. Got it? Oh. Good.
Yay!
Alright, good job.
They keep it.
Oh yeah. Hold this up. You hold this.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, so heavy.
You got it? Good.
I think same one.
Oh yeah. Oh, we about to get enough. You never get hung up, you're not throwing in the good spot. You throw in the good spot, you don't get hung up sometimes.
Sometimes. Oh, so brilliant.
No, not really. Good fish. All right. Number 10.
Number 10. Are there 9?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Good fish. Beautiful. This is enough. No more.
No more. No
Throw
more.
the rest back. If we catch any, we put them back. This is enough. Don't you think?
No more. No more.
Too many too clean.
Yeah, no more.
No more keep.
Okay. Just fish, right?
Right.
Ooh, good one. Oops.
There you go.
Hey, pocket roll.
Good old pocket drop.
Yep.
That's a good one. Pulling the boat.
How much?
Oh, yeah.
Good one.
4 pounder.
Oops. Oh my god.
Makes me put on a pocket crawl. You keep catching them.
It happens. Oh,
4 pounder.
4 pounder, good one. Shoot. Oh, you got it. Woohoo! Also, they like lizard. Next one. Bye bye.
I put my every day at work. I put my alarm for 5:45.
5:45.
Yeah. Takes me about 10 minutes to get dressed. I'm at work by 6.
Okay. Only 10 minutes?
Yeah. All I do is put my clothes on.
Do you eat breakfast?
No,
No, usually no.
never,
Never.
never. Drink coffee in the morning, never eat breakfast.
That's it?
No. Except when company, you know, like yesterday. That's the only time I eat breakfast. Maybe 10 o'clock. Go to the store, get crackers, Coke, something like that.
Oh.
Stick bag.
Stick bag.
Right there.
There.
Got in that damn tie. Squirrels, deer, turkey, everything like
Everything?
that. Eat much good, much protein.
Oh, even turkey.
Turkeys love, ooh yes.
Oh.
All animals.
All
Animals love it, yeah.
Oh.
Hogs, deer, yeah.
Have you eaten? Have you tried?
Kind of bitter.
A bitter.
Yeah.
Oh, good one.
You hog? No, you hog. Nah, not too big. Well, good though.
That's good.
Shit.
Bobby, here.
Ah, good man.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
I got it.
You're a fish.
Yeah.
You're a fish. Is there some laser here?
It should be.